Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to do another Dutch pour today. I messed paint on there while I was thinning down the paints, but it doesn't matter, it's fine. We're going to paint over that. I'm just putting my gloves on. I've mixed up some colors. Again, I've got 3 colors and then a base color. So the base I've mixed up, it's mainly or mostly, I don't know what's the word, white with a touch of pink in it. And I've watered it down, and as you can see, it doesn't even leave a mound, it just disappears. Then I've got a blue, and into this blue I've added a little bit of silicone, again very thin. And then I've got this metallic green, and then I've got neon orange, and they're all nice and thin. Okay, so we're just going to put the base down, and I'm going to, might as well just get it all out. Okay, just like that. I'm going to just cover the canvas with this. I'm just going to blow it out with my mini blower and just cover the canvas. Okay, then let's put some colors down. I'm going to put the orange first. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the blue with the silicone in. And then the green, and then some more blue and some more green, and it doesn't really matter. Oopsie, doesn't really matter because we're going to blow it out now with a blower. Okay, are we ready? Let's go. Wow. Wow, that is so pretty. The colors in there are very, very, very cool. I just want to go this way. That's better. And now we're just going to go over it with a heat gun. Wow. That is very pretty. There's a little bit of too much paint there on the top, so I'm just going to take some of that off. There. Okay, now all you do is you pick paint up off the table and you make sure all your sides are covered. And I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. So there it is. Look at those colors. Let me take you down. Now, again, it has metallics in because that green is metallic. And you will see there's a lot of shimmers that will, you know, they'll all come up nicely when it is dry. But look at the colors and the wispy lines and cells, and just so pretty. Look at those. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me again today as we created this beautiful painting. It was just a very quick painting today. As I said yesterday in my video, I've got flu, so yeah, I'm gonna go and rest because, you know, back to work tomorrow. But yeah, I think the painting turned out really pretty. I'm very happy with it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow along. And I'll be back next Saturday for another painting. Hope to see you then. Bye everyone.